Hey guys, I'm out here again with the Vivitar Phoenix, and I'm noticing I'm not getting like that much range out of this thing. I don't know what the hell the story is. Like 300 feet flies great. I mean, this thing really flies nice. It just, the range on it is awful. I don't know what the story is with that, but it's just not going very far at all. Okay. Let me start some video up, and then we'll take off and see what we're looking at here. Let me start the video again. Yeah, yay. I don't know if I have how many satellites I got yet, but okay, it says 12. Oh, I don't have the GPS on. Okay, let's get the GPS turned on real quick, because I noticed it's a little some wind kicking up a little bit today, so it's going to drift around more than it did the other day. See, once I kick the GPS on, then it'll stop moving around. The GPS hold on this thing is pretty good. So we're gonna walk over here, and then I'm just gonna take it down the street there a ways and try to get some distance out of it. But I'm not gonna take it up that high because I don't want to fly away with this thing. Now this is a big field. From here from back here all the way to the end down there is at like 1,000 feet. So okay, so here we go. Let's see. Bring it down a little bit. It says 51 meters, but that's 51 meters from where I took off, which is right over there. See, it doesn't go very far and it starts to lose the bind on it, man. I'm telling you. So I'm like, oh crap, a train's coming. 79 meters right now. Okay, so there's 100 meters right there, and it's frozen right there. See, aircraft not connected. So I'm gonna try to walk over toward it a little bit. Now I had it in the line of sight, but I lost that. Okay, so now it just came back. So I walked closer to it. So you're looking with this thing, I'm gonna bring it back right now to me. I'm just gonna pull backwards. I'm not even gonna try to turn it around. So this thing here flies great, but you're looking at like 300 feet is the absolute top. And as a matter of fact, I wouldn't keep pushing my luck on that. I would be keeping this thing at around the 250 feet range, just so you know it's always going to be there and it's not going to fly away. I mean, that's what I would do. I mean, it just flies great, man. Steering on this thing is fantastic. Just doesn't have any range. I mean, it's actually, this thing's fun to fly. You know, it's a good time. It's fun to fly it. I'm gonna turn the GPS off for a minute. Yep. Good stuff, good stuff. But 300 feet, that's it. At least you can tilt the camera up and down. You know, it does give you that option. You can turn it straight up in the air. See? Like that. I don't know what you're going to do with doing that, but since you can't go that damn far, but you can look at the clouds. Okay, get some cloud shots. Also, what you can do is that you can tip it, you can tip the camera to where to compensate for your forward pitch when you're flying around, so you will always be able to see the horizon. Even if the quadcopter's pitched down, you can adjust this this camera here. So if I adjust it to that angle right there and I go forward on it, then it looks like I'm going straight. You know what I mean? So you're taking that, you're getting rid of that to where it looks like it's looking at the ground all the time, like that Drone X Pro. So there you go. Man, that thing is really zippy. It really does fly nice, man. All right, guys, there you go. Range test with the Phoenix. The Vivitar. Arr. Let's land her up. I got it. Do I got the GPS on? Yeah, because I don't want to drift it away when I'm catching it. Let me stop the video. Okay, you can stop now. Alright guys, there you go. Vivitar Phoenix range test, 300 feet max. I would keep it at 275, 250 to be safe. Alright guys, I'll talk to you later. Have a nice day.